Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video I will explain you the basic HTML elements. At first we have our heading elements H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. The H1 is the biggest and it goes down with the size. You see H1 is the biggest, H2, H3, H4, it goes with this font size down. But the font size is not the most important one, because you can make a H6 with CSS bigger than H1. H1 is more important than H2, H3, H5, all of them. You should have only one H1 element in your web page. It should be title or the heading. I can show you an example here. The HTML text here is probably a H1. Here the context is probably not a H tag, but it could be a H5. Here it is probably a H2. This is probably a H3. It goes. This is a H5 probably. So that's it with the H tags. It's very simple, and mostly we use H1, H2 or H3. I rarely used H4, 5 and 6. Then we have the P tag. P means paragraph. Here, that's a paragraph. A paragraph is a simple text that contains text. Every paragraph is a code block, so there will be space around it. You can see there's a little space. And when I do not another P tag, you can see there's more space. And we have here on this 3 more P tags. You can see there more space. These are block elements. Then we have HR tag. That's very simple. It's a simple line. You can see a line here. You can see a line. You can do this line with CSS too. I use HR not always, but it's helpful when you want to separate content in your web page. Here I can show you P tag. You can see the P tag is between the HR elements. Then we have the text formatting elements. The most common tags are strong, italic, and emphasis. I don't use emphasis. I don't know why I have used it. I will show you this. So this is a bold tag. You write simple in a P tag, or I don't know, in a H4 tag, your text, and between the strong tags you put the word you want bold. Then we have the italic. Here you can see italic. You have underlined text here and emphasis. I use only strong tag. The underline, I never use the U tag because I make a span. I make a span, and between I make the span tag in CSS underline. But when you are not good in CSS, you can use the U tag. There are more formatting elements, but you don't need to remember all of them. You can, when you need a one, you can Google it. At least, and the last one is our A tag. A tag is a link tag. An A tag defines a hyperlink, which is used to link up from a page to another page. You see, we have a href tag, and there we put the page link. You can see here Google. When I click on the link, we are on the Google page. But the href is inside the first A tag, and between the E tags you put the text. Here we can do, I don't know, YouTube, and I can hit YouTube, put we are in YouTube. That's very simple and very useful. I use hashtags all the time. I hope you liked the video. Bye.